In this guide, I will be showing you guys how to fix vibration not working after iOS 26 update. Let's get started. First, check whether do not disturb or any focus mode is enabled, because if they are turned on, your iPhone won't vibrate for calls or notification. You can disable them easily by swiping down from the top right corner to open Control Center, or by going into Settings and turning off any active focus mode. Next, open Settings and go to Sound and Haptic. Then tap Ringtone. If your ringtone is set to none, your iPhone won't play a tone or vibrate. So choose any ringtone and then select a vibration pattern you prefer. You can even create a custom haptic if you want something stronger. After that, go back into settings and open accessibility. Then tap touch. Scroll down until you find vibration option. If it's switched off, your iPhone won't vibrate for calls, text, or system alerts, so turn it back on to restore vibration instantly. And that's it. With these tips, your problem will be resolved. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.